All right, so it brings us to some definitions to talk about when looking at a triangle. So the triangle, the original one is this right here that I'm outlining in red. And the exterior angle of that triangle goes from any one of the sides, that if I were to extend one of the sides out, it goes from the other side down to this angle there. So this right here is my exterior angle. So the exterior angle is done in green. So now the remote interior angles, these are the two that don't touch the exterior angle. So those are these two over here that I'm just marking. So it would be like angle 1 and angle 2. They're not congruent or anything. This is just a way to mark the angles at this point. So I'm just kind of coloring them in. Okay, so those are the remote interior angles, and that one's the exterior.